Hi everyone. So in this video, I want to talk about the uneven brake pad wear between the rear pads and at the same time the front pads. And let me show you what I'm talking about here. So it's very common here that you're gonna get a very a low pad here, so 50% worn out, but at the same time you're waiting or you don't have the replacement pad. This is the tip that I want to give you. So look, this thing here, you're gonna need the wrench or the multi-tool number 10, and I do recommend that you use the proper wrench. And look here, I have loosened this thing up here. Now what I'm gonna do now, as you see, it's loosened up. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna move this one at the front, because what's happening, the rear tires do consume, the rims, more pad wear. So what's gonna happen now, I'm gonna use this one that's kind of 50% done, and I'm gonna put it right here on the front. And check out this thing here. It has a lot more meat here, let you see. A lot more meat. So this guy over here, this pad, is gonna go back there. And now quickly I'm gonna loosen this up too. It's already kind of loose, and I'm gonna show you when it's all done and said. Okay, welcome back. Now here is the update. Look at this beauty here. See, I had it swapped out, and beautiful. It's properly positioned. I used number 10 to tighten this thing, and now they're gonna last me. The front one are gonna last me longer, but at the same time I have quite a bit of meat here for these rear ones to last me, so I can wear them equally. So both of them get worn out equally. And now let's look at the front here. This is how this guy here fits. Now this is the front one here, and like I told you, number 10. Let this thing focus. Number 10 is the one that I need, and I just wanna tighten a bit here like this. I'm straight in the line here, and look, this thing looks fabulous. This is where the pad gets the front calipers apply less braking power, and you want more braking power at the rear. And if you found this tip useful, give it a like, thumbs up. And this is how you wear your pads evenly throughout their lifespan. Take care and have a good one. Bye-bye.